We are back out here under the Parker Street Landing Bridge with another MRE review. Today we have civilian MREs from MRE Star. These are no gluten added MREs. They are not certified gluten-free, but they have no gluten added. Mine is menu 1, beef stew.
Mine's menu 4, or chicken and rice.
So menu 4, chicken and rice, and menu 1, beef stew. Let's get these cracked open, see what's inside. So I got my main, I got an FRH, we want to see how that works. We do have some water heating up there in case it doesn't work. Every one comes with nut and raisin mix, toasted corn nuts, dried fruit mix, and this came with peanut butter. I don't know why it comes with peanut butter when it doesn't come with any gluten, so no crackers, no tortillas. It also comes with Smarties. We got coffee here. And the accessory packs come with a long spoon instead of a spork, wet wipe, instant coffee, sugar, creamer.
Powder stick fruit.
Mine has crushed red pepper.
Beverage.
What did you get? You got fruit punch. And I got fruit punch. We both got fruit punch. And these are much bigger beverage packs because they have real sugar in them. So, much better flavor than the sugar-free ones. So I'm going to try the FRH, and Kane's just going to use the pot of water.
Most of the MRE days is my idea.
Kane really wanted to do an MRE. Even though we're out here supposed to be getting a foot to 18 inches of snow, he's like, let's go under the bridge. Let's have some MREs. So I said, okay, let's go.
Can I borrow that lighter?
Now this FRH started heating up really fast, so I have high hopes for it.
I don't.
Alright, so my FRH did a pretty good job of heating it up, but it's not as hot as Kane's that I put in the pot of water. So we'll see how they are. I had beef stew, Kane had chicken and rice.
Okay, that is really hot.
Well, mix it up. So mine isn't super
not
hot
like
on
that.
the inside.
Yeah, like that. I'm saying like, it looked hotter because of the
Steam, how cold it is.
Yeah.
Mine's pretty good. And it tastes really good. It's actually surprisingly not in need of salt like most MREs are. It did come with crushed red pepper, and that'd probably be pretty good in here.
I don't get nothing like.
Nope. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Has chunks of carrots, chunks of potatoes, beef. There's
Yours?
peas in here. Yep.
I don't like mine liquid.
Kane wanted to build a nice little fire, so we did.
So it isn't as cold out here.
It is about 15 degrees out. So
Less. Less than 15.
okay.
Not the worst meal.
So these aren't bad. And if you're allergic to gluten, I wouldn't get them because they're not certified gluten-free. But if you have a gluten intolerance, then they're perfectly fine because there's definitely no gluten added in it. It's just not certified gluten free. Well, because of them being gluten free, they are a little more expensive. You're probably spending almost $10 in MRE, which is very pricey, but if you need it, then it's definitely worth it. But again, everyone comes with corn nuts, fruit and nut mix, and what was the third thing? Yeah, nut and raisin mix and a dried fruit mix. So,
You have these corn things?
yeah, the
Those
corn
aren't
nuts.
too bad. You can have the other ones. Corn nuts are the only one I like.
I keep getting my beard all iced up from the snow and the cold. Yeah, when you buy the case of these no gluten added ones, it always comes with 2 of each. So maybe next time, Kane wise, I could switch. You could try the beef stew and I'll have the chicken and rice. But there are 2 of each one, so we'll both get to taste all of them.
Can you put this in there?
Yeah.
I honestly just don't want to get up.
So, what do you think of your MRE there, bud? What do you give it?
So far,
Yep.
all the ones that I've had, best.
Oh yeah? Even out of all the military MREs? Because you gave a couple of 10 out of 10.
I'm saying up here.
So you're saying out of civilian MREs, it's the best one. So not the actual military rations. He's saying
No.
out of the civilian MREs, that's the best so far.
Out of the MREs that I've had up here.
Yeah, which we're all civilian.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
That's
out of
right.
all the civilian MREs, he said that one so far is the best. So, good stuff. Mine was pretty good. And I like all the components that come with it. The trail mix, the corn nuts, and the dried fruit. Kane's not a fan of the trail mix or the dried fruit.
The only thing that
So
I like
I usually get
is
extra
the
snacks
main
with them.
and the toasted corn.
So Kane likes the entree and the corn nuts. All right. Any last words?
I'll make the fire and peace.
Peace.